Don Peterson is here with a beautiful 69 El Camino 396 SS, matching numbers. My first El Camino back when I was 20 years old, 396 SS. And this car brings back so much for me. But this car is so clean. The bed of the truck looks as good as the rest of the car does. And that is so hard to do because these things get used. They're trucks. They're car trucks.
Well, that actually got over 100 hours of blocking in it. And
just in the bed.
And one section of the bed has actually been replaced.
Yeah, a little rust or what was it?
Rust underneath, so we had to section in a piece.
So talk about it from front to back. 396, 4-speed.
Matching numbers, roller cam, elder block manifold, stock exhaust, except for it's 2.5 inches all the way to the front to the back. Dynamat throughout, double thickness.
Dynamat, by the way, is a sound deadening so that it's just that much more quiet. Again, it's not cheating because it's taking advantage of what they have today to make the car quieter inside that they just didn't have that technology before. Anyway, continue.
Rotisserie restoration, so got the car dipped and went through and finished every little nook and cranny, every nut and bolt. When we were doing the insides of the doors, it goes, you can't put that in there until you paint the regulators.
Wow.
So there's nothing that hasn't been touched.
Yeah, no stone left unturned.
None.
And then did you do the work? Did you help do the work? Or what was
I actually helped do the work. It took us 14 months from start to finish.
Wow.
A friend of mine that owns a body shop, one of his older body men, Bob Reynolds, basically guided me through it, and he said, okay, I want you to do this, and I'd go do that. And we just worked through it night and day and got her done.
Craftsman tools?
A few of them.
There you go.
There you go.
There's always a Craftsman tool in every toolbox.
That's true.
Well, you know what, Don? It's a beautiful machine,
Thank
and
you.
I wish I owned it, and if you will talk to me after this interview, I may.
Okay.
I'm Alan Taylor. These are the cars for the Grand Marshal's Car Show. There's more.